Otra vez, sigue sale el sol, pues hoy sigo blessed. Cuando miro el sun, ignoro el estrés. La noche pa' lucir, olvidando el rey. Que eres un dembow, que suena el dembow. Empezamos bien fast y luego bien slow. Dale gracias a Dios que abrí mis ojos. Pero ¿qué pasó? Otra bendición. Baby, nos activamos.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally here. Be sure to subscribe and like before you leave because I have a phenomenal video for you all today. Wow. The innovation in the wig community just keeps getting better and better. 𝐼𝐤 came through with this one, y'all. Their wigs are always bomb, but this one, listen, it's taking natural hair wigs to another level. It's giving, this is my hair. It's giving real life. This is everything. So this is their Kinky Straight Fitted Glueless HD Lace Wig with curly edges. They took the advice of their customers and developed a Kinky Straight wig with curly edges based on the edges of their natural hair. And this one looks like my type 4 edges. This is a very easy wig to install. You don't necessarily need to tint the lace. The wig cap has been upgraded, so it's super fitted and you can actually wear it glueless if you desire to. Now I clearly missed that clasp. But don't tell anybody. Now, you already know I was super excited to try this wig on. I love the kinky straight texture and this hairline looks like mine. But transparently, I was a little nervous about what it would look like because these edges are a little different. But when I tried it on, I was like, okay, we might be working with something. So right now I'm cleaning up the part and this wig does come with 6 inches of parting space, which is pretty phenomenal. And look, y'all, it's giving scalp. This looks so realistic. I don't know about anybody else, but I love when brands embrace our natural hair texture, especially when it's in its untamed state and not necessarily pushing the stigma of having to have really sleek edges or having them laid all the time. Although I am somebody that really enjoys that, I love that companies are also offering a different alternative so you can decide to wear it as is in its natural state, just like you would your natural edges, or you can decide to slick them down. And I'm going to show you guys both in this video. So right now I'm going to tint the lace, although it's not necessary. I guess I'm a creature of habit in that way, but I'll come back on once I've done that and also cut the lace off in the front.
Yeah. I'm a big mood. You can't name a lot of things that I didn't do. Stacking paper like a book, not a Kindle. You outdated, I'm the one they getting into, and I don't break a sweat. Let's get it, 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 let's get it. Child, please, I don't need a towel, please. This is easy as a breeze. I can't teach you how to be me. Now you see me, now you don't, I'm a magician. You are limited, I am a limited edition. They don't even make them like me anymore. I'm so flashy, I don't even say cheese anymore. I don't just want it, I just want more. Man, I'm a major key in this game, and these keys open doors. I'm a big mood. Yeah, I'm a big mood. You can't name a lot of things that I didn't do. Stacking paper like a book, not a Kindle. You outdated, I'm the one they getting into, and I don't break.
Okay, girl, I'm starting to see the vision. It's coming together. Before securing the wig in place, I am going to lay my edges down. That's just a good rule of thumb to ensure that your edges aren't peeking out or anything. So I'm just going to make sure those are nice and sleek. And then I'm going to lay the wig down with the 𝐼𝐤 glue in the yellow bottle. But honestly, I wouldn't necessarily recommend this one because when it dried, I feel like you could see a bit of the white residue. So I'd recommend maybe using the bedhead spray or the 𝐼𝐤 glue spray in the yellow bottle, or even the clear 𝐼𝐤 glue gel in the black bottle. That could work as well.
Let's get it, 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 let's get it. I'm going all and you know I stay ballin'. Yeah. I'm going all and you know I stay ballin'. Yeah. I'm going all and you know I stay ballin'. Yeah. I'm going all and you know I stay ballin'. Stay applying pressure, you already know how we play. Yeah. Every time I step in, I deserve an instant replay. Yeah. Get right to it, we ain't dealing with no delay. Yeah. About to run this thing like a relay. You know it, baby. Yeah. That's right. That's right. Enjoy the ride. Look at the crowd. They going wild. Look at me now. I'm all smiles. No sweat. Don't need a towel. I'm a big mood. I'm a big mood. Yeah. You can't name a lot of things that I didn't do. Yeah. Stacking paper like a book, not a Kindle. Yeah. You outdated, I'm the one they getting into, and I don't break a sweat. Let's get it. 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 Yeah.
So right now I'm applying my 𝐃𝐢𝐬𝐜 wax stick, and then I'm going to use my hot comb in order to straighten out the roots. And then on the ends where it's kind of been crimped from the packaging, I'm going to use the hot comb to kind of straighten that out as well. I just love how effortless this unit is. You don't have to do a whole lot of work, and it just looks so good.
Come a little closer, cause I need to let you know. I need to let you know. Ooh, you know I need ya. Baby, I can't keep a secret anymore. No, it ain't cool to say this. I know it ain't cool to be like this, but I just wanna let you know that you're my favorite. I just wanna let you know that you're the one for me. Say amen if you feel me. Say amen if you feel me. I just wanted you to know that you're amazing. I just wanted you to know, baby, everything. So say amen if you feel me. Cause you know you're my favorite.
Now I love the way the unit looks straight, but I was itching to see what it would look like with wand curls. So I'm just using this wand curler set that was gifted to me from one of my subscribers, Michelle. Thank you so much. This wand curler set is so good. So now I'm going to proceed to wand curl the hair. At this stage in the process, I'm also going to show you guys what it looks like with the edges laid down. And then I'm going to proceed to add wand curls. And this hair curled so well, and it held a curl really nicely as well.
I'm mad at you. I'm trying to focus, but you keep on passing by. Look at you, you don't even have to try. I swear I'm telling the truth, because when I'm with you, I feel like I can fly. No, it ain't cool to say this. I know it ain't cool to be like this, but I just wanna let you know that you're my favorite. I just wanna let you know that you're the one for me. Say amen if you feel me. Say amen if you feel me. I just wanted you to know that you're amazing. I just wanted you to know, baby, everything. So say amen if you feel me. Cause you know you're my favorite. I just wanna let you know that you're my favorite. I just wanna let you know that you're the one for me. Say amen if you feel me. Say amen if you feel me. I just wanted you to know that you're amazing. I just wanted you to know, baby, everything. So say amen if you feel me. Cause you know you're my favorite. I just wanna let you know that you're my favorite. I just wanna let you know that you're the one for me. Say amen if you feel me. Say amen if you feel me. I know it ain't cool to say this. I know it ain't cool to be like this, but so say amen if you feel me. Cause you know you're my favorite.
Driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen. Don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you. They got nothing on you. Yeah, all the pretty girls,
skirt up and grabbing your curves. If you ask me, you got that drip chocolate factory. All of these chicks coming at me, but none of these girls compare to you. Paris, make sometimes we'll cherish. Baby, there's no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon.
Now, this is how my hair was supposed to turn out for my wedding. It did not turn out this good. This has me in my feelings. I love everything about it. I cannot wait to hear your thoughts about this new hairline with the natural edges. What do y'all think? Are y'all feeling it? This texture? Let me know down below, and also check the description box for all the links and specifications for this unit. I hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video with a friend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.